So welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter on a 3 Series BMW E90. You'll want to replace your cabin filter every once in a while just in case you're getting some weird smells coming into the cabin. So first we're going to take off our little plastic bits here. This gives us access to the cabin air filter. They're about 8 millimeter bolts. You can just zip them off and this will get the cover for the cabin air filter out. Just like that. And then we're going to swap over the filter like this. So how you take the filter out is just by pushing down on these little clips on all 3 of them. I don't have this third one here. And this just pulls out. Boom, like that. Now I just wipe down in here, make sure there's no dirt or grime or anything, pollen or whatever. And then we're going to install the new one, just like that. So let's compare the old one and the new one first. I mean, that's pretty dirty. I'll put this up to a light in a second. Yeah, take a look at this. You guys see that? I mean, I've owned the car for 5 years and I've never changed this filter, so yeah, time to change it. It was time. Alright, so I think the bottom goes in first. There are these 2 little tabs here on the very bottom. There we go. This side. And that's it. Super easy way to do your air filter or your cabin air filter on a BMW 3 Series. So if this was helpful, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and we'll see you guys in the next basic maintenance video series for the E90s. See you. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.